What's up, cooks? We have a huge box in the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen today. We have the Multo by CookingPal, and this is a very unique cooking food processor in that it comes with its own tablet. It's got an app. You control it. You can watch everything that's going on and a nice, beautiful display. I'm looking forward to trying this baby out. We're going to explore this together. I've never used it. So today we're going to be getting it out of the box and just see what it looks like, kind of the look and the feel of it. And then we're going to take it on a little cooking journey. So join me. Let's get our first look at the Multo by CookingPal. So these cooking food processors are starting to become all the rage. So what's neat about them is they're sort of this one-stop shop for cooking a dish, right? So it comes with the food processor, with a chopper in it. It has a cooker in it. What's neat about this one is it has a huge cooking library that you access through a tablet that comes with the CookingPal. And some I've seen that they've had little menus on them. They're kind of hard to read. One we looked at didn't even have an app. It's just a little tiny screen on it. And it was very hard to see those ingredients so you have time to prep and have everything ready for the cook, right? This one has a nice, big, beautiful display on a tablet. I think it's kind of amazing. I'm looking forward to trying out. This is the Multo by CookingPal, and I'll leave links down in the description. I just want to thank CookingPal for sending this over for us to test it. You know how much I like kitchen gadgets. So this right here looks like it's really going to be an amazing one. So let's get this thing out of the box. Look how big it is. So let's get everything out of the box. This is a huge box. Then we'll look at everything individually. It says this way up. So do we open it this way?
You flip it on the side and you pull it out screaming.
Oh, okay. Oh, there's an internal box in here. Wow, okay.
So you have a retail box.
Yeah. Whoa. You know that you have a serious appliance in your hand. A serious appliance in your hands when it comes like this. Wow, okay. Whoa. Wow. Whoa.
Okay, it can fall.
Okay, unboxing instructions. Please follow the instructions. So we're going to use the handle to slide out the box. Open here. Okay. Wow. 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 So this says, welcome to the future of cooking. We put the future of the planet first. So before you recycle this box, here is some food for thought. Use this box for storage, collect items for donations, or let your kids build a playhouse. Share your creations on social media, #CookingPal, right? That's cute.
So you have a couple of boxes on top of the whole thing.
Remove accessory box. Whoa. Very nice packaging, I'll tell you that.
Yeah.
Thumbs up on the packing. Pull out the Multo. It's like a little garage in there. Look at that. Ah! This is amazing, guys. And pull out the Multo. Whoa! Number one, it has very ingenious packaging. Whoa, that was cool. Whoa! This machine is amazing. Look at this. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Look at this. This machine is crazy. Oh. Okay, I said I wasn't going to look at it until we got everything out of the boxes. So.
The boxes have an opening here on my side.
So this is what we have here.
It's a seamer set spatula.
Yeah, so it tells you how to install this. So we're just going to get all this out. Whoa, I like it. So this has the tablet in it.
It includes a smart kitchen hub, user manual, safety guide and warranty, smart kitchen hub stand, power cable, and USB Type-C cable.
Yeah. Okay, so here is our smart hub. This thing literally comes with its own tablet. This is amazing. So, hello, pal. Follow us on social media. Oh my gosh, this is great. Okay, so thank you for purchasing the Multo. Nothing like homemade meal. If you click on this little code reader thing.
QR code?
Yeah. We love to hear from you. RSVP. So you can get a private cooking demo with the CookingPal team. You can schedule that to get you off to a great start with this. So welcome to the future of cooking. This is definitely the future of cooking. Amazing manuals. Okay, so one of the things that I find is some of these appliances do not come with really good support and manuals, so you are successful in using it. These are really nice. Really nice. One of the things you have with this kind of thing is you have the manual, but you also have the app, which is an amazing training guide. That looks delicious. Well, we're going to have fun with this. As you can tell, I'm like totally in my element here. So you can saute, you can steam, you can obviously cook, you can grind. Wow. There's manual setting, and then there's sort of a guided recipe setting that will take you through the whole recipe. Here's a really nice user manual. Shows you all the functions. This is amazing because more and more companies are not giving you really good documentation. Like I said, this looks like it has
Or
really
you got to go to their website.
Yeah. Yeah. So, okay. Here we go. This has a tablet. This cooker comes with its own tablet. Okay? And in here, this holds the tablet, obviously. Here's the cord, and here is a charging cord for your USB. So here is our big, beautiful display. I really like it. So there's a little cover here. We're going to have to take that off. And this is crazy. Okay, I need to plug this in. One of the things is it has this little stand here, so you can view it like this, or you can bring it up and set it upright, right? They've literally thought of everything with this thing. This is amazing. So let me plug this in and we'll see how it works. Okay, I'm so busy, excited to play with this, I forgot to look and see what's up here. So we have the lid, and the lid does have a thing in here that has little measurements on it and allows you can actually add ingredients through here. We have like a whip. A little whip. I think we can make some hollandaise with that, right? We have a steamer basket in here, and in here, the blade in here. So when you take it out, you can see the blade inside there. That's our chopper in there. And then there's a little lock and unlock here for you to take the blade out for cleaning. So this is also a steamer. So it looks like we'll put the steamer on here. Okay, so we're just going to turn the steamer basket onto the lid. So here's your steamer basket. We have this too to go on there. Double decker, right? You got a lid to go on there so you could steam and cook all at the same time, right? That's pretty cool. So it comes with this really cool paddle scraper. So I'm going to plug this in and we're going to connect it to our Wi-Fi and do a little snooping around in it. Okay, so I'm going to turn on the base and I'm going to turn on the controller. Awesome. So it fires up. Let's get started. And there's a license agreement. You can review that all you want. And we're going to connect the hub to Wi-Fi. And it sees our Wi-Fi. And so it's connecting to, and now we're going to proceed to updates. And it's updating. And then it'll restart. Okay, so now it's rebooting. Your CookingPal! Oh, I like it. I really like the big, nice big display on it. I think one of my difficulties of some of the other ones was I was either staring at my little dinky phone or it just flat out had a dinky menu on the machine. This has a bright, beautiful display. Okay, we're going to get started. And I'm going to sign up for my CookingPal account. And I'm going to create a password. And I have an email verification. And we're going to connect the power cord into the Multo. So I'm going to have to turn off the Multo. Plug the cord in and turn on the power button. Next. Press and hold the control button until the blue light blinks, and then tap the next button. So and it's connecting. Hi, CookingPal. And there's a safety video. Okay, so it ran through another update because it updated the machine this time. And select cooking modes. Guided cooking. Tap here to browse guided recipes. Hi. Oh, it's telling me, it's giving me a little tutoring. So, one good thing about this is it has a scale in it. So it has a lot of recipes in it that you guide through. You can also see manual recipes where you can put in your own recipe. It has a scale. Tear out the scale. Is it 0? So let's say we're going to, it'll even clean itself. So we're going to saute something. And here we'll go to the guided recipes. So tons and tons and tons of recipes in this. Hot buttered rum, peanut snowballs, cake, cheesecake,
Donuts.
So I want to search by poultry. Ooh, white chili. So it's going to tell you all the ingredients and the amounts. It'll tell you step by step and the nutritional values. You can even download the recipe into your library. So it's going to tell you all the steps. This is pretty cool. So we are going to wash all this stuff and we're going to do our first recipe. We're going to pick one out of there and we're going to do a recipe. I'm looking forward to trying this out. My first impressions is I really like having a big display like this because that was my issue with some of the other ones that I tried. This is amazing. Wow, like a cooker with its own tablet, right? This is amazing. So stay tuned. We're going to give this CookingPal, the Multo, the old Amy Learns to Cook try, right? We're going to cook something in it. We're going to use one of the recipes. We're going to do a guided recipe. And over time, we're going to do some fun stuff with it. So thank you for joining me. Thank you, CookingPal, for sending this. I'll put links down in the description to this cooker. Stay tuned because we're just getting started with it.